If you're over 50 and you feel like your balance has been getting worse, you've been feeling a little bit unsteady on your feet, or maybe even you had a fall, it's probably not just your imagination. And unfortunately, it will probably get even worse unless you do something about it. So in this video today, I'm going to show you three-step formula that I use for my patients to help them improve their balance. So we're going to start with a simple exercise, the easiest level. Then I'm going to show you the more advanced version, and then the most advanced version right at the end. Hi, my name is Alex Blaževski, and I'm a physiotherapist from Growing Younger Fitness, and I've been a physio for 21 years. Okay, so if you haven't tried balance exercise before, so start with the easiest version, which is this exercise right here. It's called that tandem stand. So all you have to do is stand with one foot in front of the other, like so. All right. So stand like this. So my toe of one leg is touching the heel of the other leg. So that's all you do. Just stand straight and see if you can last for 10 seconds. Okay. So if this is okay, you can swap legs and do 10 seconds the other way around. Okay. Now, if this is too easy, okay, so if this is too easy, all you have to do to make it a little bit more challenging is so turn your head from one side to another. Nice and slow. This is going to make it a little bit more difficult. Okay. So I'm starting to feel a little bit of a shake in my legs. Okay. So this is the level 1. This is the easiest version. Okay. So version 2, which is a little bit harder. So if you tried the easiest version and it feels way too easy, try this instead. Okay. So you stand on one leg. Very simple. You can do it almost anywhere. Okay. So all you have to do is stand on one leg. Okay. Now, again, if this is too easy, add some head turns. So this is going to be quite a bit harder. Hold it for 10 seconds. Then swap around to the other leg. So if standing on one leg is too easy, start adding some head turns. Great. Okay. If you're pretty advanced, and even if this exercise is quite easy, the next exercise will definitely challenge your balance. Okay. So only do this if you can perform the other exercises very comfortably and confidently. Okay. So this last exercise, what you do is you stand on one leg. Okay. So first of all, make sure you can balance on one leg. Then you can take one hand. So if it's your left leg, take your left hand and slide it down your thigh and down your leg. See if you can touch your tippy toes. And then slowly come up. Okay, so you can see this is a pretty challenging exercise. Okay, do it 5 times. Okay, then do 5 times on your other leg. Okay, I'm going to show you this way. So my right leg, my right arm. So I'm going to stand on one leg. I'm going to slide my right hand down my right leg. Touch my tippy toes and come back. Okay, so you're going to do 5 on each leg. But I don't expect a lot of you to be able to do this safely, comfortably. So start with the easiest version. Then move on to the second level, and then this would be right at the end once you can do the first 2 very comfortably. Now, another suggestion that I have is when you start doing these balance exercises, make sure you're safe. So stand close to a wall or stand close to a steady piece of furniture so you can hold on to it if you need to. Or if your balance is really quite poor, make sure there's someone else there with you, standing close to you, just for safety, just to make sure you're safe while performing it. Okay, so give it a try. All the best for now, and I'll see you in the next video.